Pets are great companions. The way they greet you at the door or all over you when you play with them and do everything to please you is an unparalleled feeling. Pets are comforting companions, and they are so soft and cuddly that they remind us of the soft toys that we played with as kids. Typically, when a person refers to a pet, you would imagine cats, dogs, hamsters, or maybe some pretty birds or fish. But there are people who have a rather wild streak in them. They go out and pick up some of the craziest and dangerous pets. Although we do agree that they are extremely cute when little. Welcome to Simply Curious. Today we're counting down the top 10 dangerous pets that people have. Number 10. Coyote. This is a member of the raccoon family. Originally from South America, these omnivores require a large enclosure to roam. They have 38 to 40 really sharp teeth and forage for their food, and they require a lot of mental stimulation. Even though many are kept as pets, they are still wild animals that can deliver a pretty nasty bite. Number 9. Foxes. Yes, there are people who actually have foxes for pets. With the exception of the tiny fennec fox or the silver Siberian fox, foxes are really not recommended as pets. Red foxes can become very tame but never fully trustworthy, and they will bite if they are threatened. They also have a musky odor that is way worse than a ferret. Number 8. Kinkajous. Kinkajous are slowly becoming popular pets. They are playful, generally quiet, docile, and have little odor. However, they can be aggressive. Kinkajous dislike sudden movements, noise, and being awake during the day. Some pet kinkajous have also been identified as carriers of the raccoon roundworm, which is capable of causing severe morbidity and even death in humans if the brain is infected. Number 7. Crocodiles and alligators. The tragic death of people like Steve Irwin serves as a reminder that even professionals stand in harm's way when they are around crocodiles and alligators. Many people may assume that smaller caimans are significantly safer, but the truth is that they are as dangerous, including the littlest of them, which is the dwarf caiman, even though they can grow to a maximum of 5 feet in length. These hostile and aggressive animals won't bond closely with their human owners and do not take well to handling. Their bites can inflict severe damage on victims. Small children are particularly at risk as caimans can snap their powerful jaws shut around a limb or a torso in a split second. Number 6. Snakes. As much as snakes are feared across the world, they are also very popular pets. I too am in awe of these beautiful slithering creatures. There's an amazing thrill in holding them, from the tiniest to the largest pythons. People love to show off their pet snakes. Venomous snakes can kill you with a single bite, and the anti-venom may be hard to come by. Some snakes can also cause immense pain and blindness just by spitting their venoms into your eyes. Thus, extreme safety measures must be taken if venomous snakes are kept at home. The non-venomous constrictors can also be extremely powerful, with the capability of maiming humans and killing other pets. Snakes also escape very easily, endangering the lives of your family and your neighbors. So, as cute and amazing as they are, please make sure you know what you're getting into. Number 5. Elephants. In India, several elephants are domesticated, especially for use in temples. But elephants pose a huge danger to humans, mainly because of their size and unpredictability. Despite a vegetarian lifestyle, elephants have a mind of their own, and there have been incidences of them intentionally killing their owners. Circuses still use traditional handling methods with the use of a bullhook, but elephants are not often kept privately outside of circus workers and other exhibitionists. Number 4. Wolves. Wolves and dogs are separated by 15,000 years of evolution, during which time the species have veered off into radically different directions. Wolves and coyotes are not domesticated dogs. They act on their instinct, hunt when they are hungry, play when they want to, and sleep the rest of the day. If they feel threatened, they will attack, and they can kill an animal several sizes larger than themselves. Furthermore, though wolf dogs have some popularity as pets, they are not much different from their pure wolf cousins, and it's better to avoid them. Number 3, big cats. Big cat seems like a crazy choice for a pet. Of course, the cubs are absolutely adorable, but they are gonna grow up to be the most ferocious wild animals. Every part of their body is made to kill, from their paws, claws, jaws. Everything takes the awe factor out of the picture. But when you look at some of these owners and their pets, you actually marvel at the trust that they have formed. But one wrong move and they could be dead meat. Number 2, bears. There are some people who equate bears to teddy bears. Really? Well, you could make that association for bear cubs, but the cubs outgrow humans very soon. Their towering size, sharp claws and teeth, everything spells danger. Of course, they are known for their intelligence, dexterity and omnivorous opportunistic nature. They have impressive strength and a taste for meat like big cats. As amazing as these human-bear relationships look, but trust me, it can become very scary. The bear species most commonly kept as pets are black bears, and this species is also responsible for the most fatal attacks on humans. However, the scarcity of larger bears like polar bears and grizzly bears being kept as private pets may very well contribute to the lack of fatal statistics for them. Number 1, primates. You may wonder how the super smart primates like lemurs, monkeys, chimps, baboons, gorillas can be the most dangerous, even more than the big cats and the wolves. Come on. Well, here is the truth. While they are really cute and childlike, they are the best qualifiers in the exotic pet world as a public safety threat. They are prone to rampages without warning, and they can possess shocking levels of strength while lacking reason. Their attacks may not really be fatal, but they tend to attack by biting off body parts, noses, fingers, etc. And often they enjoy playing with people while not allowing them to leave. So while all the victims may have survived, the damage was extensive, and sometimes they also have known to transmit diseases such as hepatitis A and HIV-1. As fascinating as it is to befriend wild animals and care for them, this is not easy. There's a reason why they survive best in the wild. So if you spot a wild animal in need of help, resist the urge to adopt it as a pet. Instead, contact a certified wildlife rehabilitator to get the animal the care it needs. So what do you think of this video? Let us know in the comments section. If you like this top 10, then please hit the like button, share button and stay tuned to Simply Curious.